welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since we used the pink bricks, so I thought I would break them out today because I'm actually rearranging my room and I don't really have, I'm trying to like set up a really good filming setup, but it's not quite coming together yet. So pink bricks for the next couple of videos probably. But yeah, if you guys weren't aware, if you didn't watch my last video, if you're not following my vlog channel, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should probably be following me on all those things and watching my videos and all that kind of stuff so you don't miss out on anything. But if you guys didn't know, last week I was actually in Nashville for a week, and if you guys watched my last Thrift With Me haul, I said I wanted to do a Thrift With Me video while I was in Nashville. So that is what I did. Obviously I'm back home now to film the intro. Let's just go ahead and get right on into the footage. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Nashville and we are thrifting. Thrifting in Nashville. Thrift with me in Nashville. At a store called Unique Thrift Store. There's all kinds of stuff.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fact.
So we didn't really find too much at the first one, so now we're headed into the Southern Thrift Store.
Can't control, we fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know.
We are now at this and that thrift shop. Oh my gosh, you guys, we just found a white bike seat that like matches my bike, and I want a white bike seat, and it's only $3. $3. Alright you guys, we are now making another stop in another thrift store. It is called Goodwill. I've heard a lot about Goodwills from other YouTubers and their Thrift With Me. So let's see if we can find anything good.
But we always rise up through it all.
I like this, but it's like red and white striped, just like the last shirt that I picked up. But I don't know, it's the red tags are 50% off, so I might get this. I don't know.
There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go.
So now that I'm home, I'm just gonna do my little mini like haul for you guys. Starting with the first thing that you guys already seen is this red and white striped button-up shirt. Cody called this my like popcorn selling shirt. It was $3 something from, I don't even remember which store it was. It was like maybe Southern Thrift. I think it's like really cute. And after I bought it, we went shopping like at non-thrift stores, and I seen two like almost the exact same shirts for over 20 bucks. So I'm pretty happy with this one. And sticking with the red and white theme, I actually got a white and red long sleeve, just like stretchy top. As you guys know, like I just really enjoy stripes. This was like $2 because it was 50% off or something like that. But yeah, it's just a cute little red and white striped shirt. The last thing that I got while I was in Nashville, I mean, I didn't buy too much at thrift stores because I was on a very tight budget, and I was also in a very tight suitcase. So the last thing that I bought at the thrift store is kind of weird, but I bought a bicycle seat. I got a bike like a year or two ago, and I've been trying to like dress it up a little bit and make it a little bit more cute and like Instagrammy and like vintagey. I have a black bike seat, but I really want a white one. They're like over $50 on Amazon or something like that, like maybe 40 bucks, 40-50 bucks on Amazon. When Tyler showed this to me and it was $3, I was like, what the heck? That's fitting in my suitcase, and I'm taking it home so I can have a white bike seat. Also, last spring I started a DIY bike makeover video, but I never ever finished it. But if you guys want to see me finish the video this year and I'll incorporate the footage from last year, let me know in the comments down below because I would totally be into doing that. But yeah, those are all of the things that I bought in my Nashville thrift haul. haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more thrifting videos, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that kind of stuff. I've been really working hard on my Instagram game, so you should definitely check that out. It's always in the links down below, or you can just search me like on literally on any social media. It's just at Fallon Fraser. And I'll be there. I'll be the one with the purple hair, obviously. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. And I will see you guys on a Tuesday for a brand new video. Bye!